Okay, so let's finish up this feature whereby we will be activating the users. So the last thing we need to do is to include the route. So let's go to routes.go and I'll just copy this. Let's paste that. So, let's try again. Copy, paste, good. So we will not be doing a post. Okay, so for activation we do a put because we want this to be a one-time process since the user can only activate their account once, right? And you remember post means we can always update the system, always change our system, and we do not want that to happen once the user is activated. So that's the reason we're using put. Okay. So the endpoint, of course, is activated, and the handler is activate user handler. Okay, that's it. Let's close this. Let's start our terminal. Well, start our server. And let's issue some tests. So let's try this first one where I have a token that's not 26 bytes long. So our validation should pick this up. Okay, great. Let's try another. It is 26. However, we will now check to see if it's valid, if it's a valid user. Okay, so let's see if we get back a user. Alright, the server encountered a problem. So let's see. Oh, that's a lot of errors. Let's go back. Let's check the code. PQ. Well, from experience, we know PQ means something with the SQL. So let's go to users, since that's the query we were going to use to get back the user that the token belongs to. So where did you put that? Users. Yeah, users.go. Let me stop my server though. So select, alright, ID, created at, name, email, password hash, activated version, those look correct. From users, inner join, okay, so this doesn't make any sense. It should be inner join and a table name. So this should be tokens table. So from users, inner join tokens table on users.id is tokens.id. Where on? Okay, that looks right. Alright, so let's go ahead and rerun. Start our server again. Here. Okay, and let's go back and rerun this curl command. And it's telling me that it's an invalid or expired token. Good. So let's do the final thing and let's check a valid activation code. So this is valid, right? It hasn't expired as yet, and it corresponds to a valid user. So let's do my paste. Oh, okay, we have another server error. Let's go back and let's see what it is this time. PQ again. Syntax error at or near returning. Okay, so where did I use returning? And I spelled it wrong. Where is that? I'm guessing it's still in user. Okay, so where did I use returning? Let me stop my server. Where did I use returning? Let's see, returning. Oh, okay, here. Returning, returning. Not ng. Right, return. returning. Yeah, returning. Okay. So let's restart our server. Let's hope that this time it works. So let's reissue this valid token activation. Alright, it works finally. So the user is 13, created at, name, email, and then activated true. So now notice for Bunny, the activation has been changed from false to true. Let's check the others. Let's just do PSQL. Let's put this up. PSQL, Apple tree, and let's check our table, our users table. Select all from users. Let's see what we get. Well, okay, kind of messy. Let's do that again. Select email, activated, and let's say version. Yeah, because the version should be changed from users. Alright, great. So we have the email. Everybody is false except Bunny, because Bunny is the only one we activated. And notice the version has changed from 1 to 2 for Bunny because we have updated Bunny's information. So it works. Okay, and that completes the actual activation process. And so going forward, we want to now look at authenticating the activated users. And so if you recall, when it comes to authenticating, we want to make sure, or we want to establish the identity of whoever is trying to use our system. And that is different than authorization, whereby we have authenticated the person, we know who it is, and so now, based on who this person is, we will have to decide what they can do on our system. Okay, and that's authorization. That will come later. For now, the next lesson will be on authentication. And so I'll see you in that video.